Good morning, students. Okay, which period now? Means which subject you are learning? You are learning EVS. You are learning EVS. You are in the previous class you learned about living and non-living things. Understood? So, in the previous class I told you what are the differences between living things and non-living things. Are you remembering that? Okay, first point I told you on that day that living things can breathe. So, this section we are going to learn more. Okay? Breathe. Living things can breathe. What do you mean by the word breathe? Spelling very important. B-R-E-A-T-H-E. Breathe. Breathe means we taken in air and give out also air. That we call it as breathe. Without breathing, we can't live. All living things without breathing, they can't live. Like animals, fish, birds, all living things, plants, and us, human beings, all, we should need breathing. So, without breathe, we can't live. Understood? So, living things breathe. But non-living things, they do not breathe. That means we are learning now the characteristics of living and non-living things. Characteristics means what are the differences, what are the specialities in between these two. So characteristics means what are the specialities of that. So first speciality is that living things only can breathe but non-living things cannot breathe. They do not breathe. For example, a fish breathe through a special organs on their body. Okay? Or through that they are breathing. Fish breathing. Understood? So that special type of organs are called gills. What we call? Gills. G-I-L-L-S. Gills. G-I-L-L-S. Gills. What are gills? Gills are the organs of the fishes. They are using for breathing, like our nose. We are using our nose, no? Nose, through the nose we are breathing. Isn't it? Taken in air and giving out air. Through the nose. So, humans, what we are using? We are using our nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. So, for each living things, their own specially organs are for breathing are there. And first fish, they are using gills. Humans, we are using nose. Next, coming insects. Have you seen insects? Insects like cockroach, fly, all these. Butterflies, these are insects. Insects, they are breathing through spiracles. Small holes on their body. We call it as spiracles. S-P-I-R-A. What is this? R-A-C-L-E-S. Spiracles. Okay. This means all these living things all separately means separate special organs for breathing. For humans, nose is there. For fish, gills are there. And for insects, spiracles are there. Whenever fish cutting at your home, when your mother is cutting fish at your home, then you can go and watch there. Where is the gill? Okay. Tell your mother, show me the gills there. That's red color near the head. That you can see the gills there. Okay. So, fish, they have special organs called the gills. Humans, we have nose. Insects, spiracles are there. Non-living things, do they need these breathing organs? No. Why? Because they don't want to breathe. They will not breathe. They are not breathing. Isn't it? For example, can you say one non-living thing? Chair. Chair is breathing. Is there breathing? No. Or table. Is it breathing? No. Like that. Rope. Is it breathing? No. So, Non-living things, they do not breathe. Living things only breathe. Living things only breathe. Next coming, plants. On this category coming, plants. Plants, especially some type of holes on their leaves. That holes are called stomata. What is that? S-T-O-M-A-T-O. Stomata. T-A, sorry. S-T-O-M-A-T-A. Stomata. S-T-O-M-A-T-A. Stomata. Plants breathe through stomata. Understood? So, these are very important. These special organs, which parts they are breathing, through which parts they are breathing. Fish breathing through, it will come in the exams, okay, on which parts they are using for the breathing. So, fish using gills, humans using nose, insects using spiracles, plants using stomata, S-T-O-M-A-T-A, stomata. Understood? But non-living things, they do not breathe. They don't want to, there is no need for the breathing for this non-living things. So that is the first difference between living things and non-living things. Understood? What is the first we learned? We learned about breathing. Okay. Living things can breathe, but non-living things, they do not breathe. And special type of organs for each type of living things. So they are fish, gills, humans, nose, insects, spiracles, and plants, stomata. Understood? So those homework I am giving, you should, that's new words and all, you should write it in your rough book. But whatever activities I am giving, that you do it in the notebook. It's after writing the notes, you should do the activities. Understood? And write neatly in your 4-line book and send me WhatsApp, personal WhatsApp. Understood? Thank you.